Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add DAZN to your Firestick so you can stream live sports, matches, and exclusive events directly on your TV. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and ensure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. From the Firestick home screen, navigate to the search icon in the top left corner. Step 3. Type DAZN using the on-screen keyboard and select it from the search suggestions. Step 4. Select the official DAZN app from the search results to make sure you are downloading the correct app. Step 5. Click on Get or Download to install DAZN on your Firestick. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once installed, return to the home screen. You will see the DAZN icon under Your Apps and Channels. Step 7. Open the DAZN app by selecting it. You'll need to sign in with your DAZN account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, you can browse live sports, upcoming events, and highlights. DAZN also allows you to follow your favorite teams and sports categories for personalized recommendations. Step 9. For easier access in the future, highlight the DAZN app on your home screen and move it to a convenient location so you can open it quickly. That's it! DAZN is now installed on your Firestick, and you're ready to enjoy live sports and exclusive events. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.